In this guitar tutorial for beginners, we're going to have a look at our first three notes on the first string. The first string is the bottom string, and this string here is called E. So we're going to have a look at our first three notes, and it's going to be playing the string open, so not pressing down anything, and just strumming with our thumb the bottom string, like so. Then we get E. Now, if we place our first finger, remember the thumb is not the first finger, the thumb goes behind the guitar. If we place our first finger on the first fret, as close to the first fret line as possible, then we will be playing F, pressing down as hard as we can with our first finger, and then strumming again with our thumb the bottom string, the first string. We can hear the sound is different, but this time it is called F. So playing E and F, E is nothing, E is open. Playing F, we place our first finger as close to the fret line as possible, and we strum with our thumb again, pressing down as hard as we can with our first finger. Then we play F. Then we are going to skip the second fret. So we're going to use this finger here just to show that we are skipping the second fret, and we're going to press down our third finger as close to the third fret line, 1, 2, 3, as close to the third fret line as possible, and we're going to press down that as hard as we can with our third finger. And it's very important, it needs to be with the third finger. Do not use the first finger or the second finger, leave them for their frets. And we're going to strum again, pressing down as hard as we can with our thumb, and that is G. So the best way to practice this is to play E a few times, just strumming the open string with your thumb. And very important, do not strum, do not lean on the string pressing down as hard as you can, just gently stroke away from the string when you pluck it. It's very important. We don't play like this, just gently play away, stroking away from the string. So let's play a few E's. E, 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 E. Now let's play a few F's. Remember, as close to the first fret line as possible, as close to the first fret line as possible with our finger, not on it, just behind it, pressing down as hard as we can, with our thumb at the back, pressing down on the neck, and we get F. Let's play 4 then. Then, skipping our second finger, playing our third finger as close to the third fret line as possible. 1, 2, 3. Not on it, just behind it. Pressing down as hard as we can. Let's play 4 of them as well. So try and follow me as we play along. Getting in position. And now we're going to play 4 E's first. E, 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 E. Followed by 4 F's. F, 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 F. Followed by 4 E's again. 2, 3, 4. Now we need to play G. Remember, 1, skip 2, 3 as close to fret line G. Now we're going to play 4 E's again. Easy, open string. F, first fret, first finger. Now we're going to play 5 E's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to play 4 G's. Getting into position, the third fret, G is on the third fret, as close to the third line as possible. Followed by 4 F's, first fret. Followed by 4 E's, which is easy, open string. Now, followed by G. Third finger again. Now E. 4 F's. Now 3 G's. followed by F and E. So in the end, the song needs to go quite fluent. Let's quickly have a look, see if we play it fluent, how does it sound? If you found this video helpful, please remember to subscribe to my page and also check out any other videos that might be useful. Thanks for watching.